So I may have found possibly the best AI-based acapella and instrumental extractor available to us today, and this one is called Lalalai. Lalalai is a website that lets you extract vocals and instrumentals from any track, and it does this using a simple web-based AI-powered audio splitting technology. Let's talk more about it. What is good, you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Do not skip this video if you're a singer and you want an instrumental to sing over a song that you like, or let's just say that you're a producer and you're here to remix a track and you may need an acapella for that. This video is for you. Acapellas and instrumentals are not always available for download, and extracting vocals or instrumentals out of a track was a difficult and complex process a few years ago. But today it's become very simple, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Now you can use a simple web-based application to extract vocals and instrumentals in just a few clicks. That's right, one such tool is called Lalalai. Now what is Lalalai? Lalalai is a simple AI-based music separation service which is also web-based, and it lets you extract vocals and instrumentals very easily and without any quality loss. Now let me show you how this works. All you need to do is go to their website, which is Lalal.ai. That's Lalal.ai. The link for this is also in the description box below. And you can see this is their website and it's simple and responsive. The first thing that you see here is the tool itself, but if you scroll down, you can read all about the website and even hear some of the samples of extracted audio from Lalalai. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see their paid plans. More on that later. Now let's check out their sample first. As you can see, this is the original track. Let me play that for you.
No more waiting by the front door for you to come on home to me. It's so lovely to see you standing there.
Now let's listen to the instrumental. Wow, that's nice and clean, right? Let's also check out the acapella now.
No more waiting by the front door for you to come on home to me. It's so lovely to see you standing there, 'cause you're so lovely.
Brilliant! This is just the sample, but let us try this tool by using one of our own audio files. So here's the audio that I'm going to use for this example.
I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe.
Now as you can hear, this track has vocals and it also has instruments. Let's upload this track onto the website and see what Lalalai can do. This here is the upload page, and this is where you can drag and drop your track. You can also choose the processing level here. I'm just going to leave it at normal for this example, but you can choose a different option for alternative results. To upload a track, simply click on the select file option. Choose your track and upload it. You can see the status bar here that shows the progress. It may take some time according to your internet speed, and then the process of extracting the stems begin in the background. Once done, you will see this notification and that lets you know that the process is complete. You can now preview your results for both the vocal and the instrumental. Let's preview the vocals first.
I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe.
Did you hear that? Absolutely brilliant. Let's also preview the instrumental. Wow, that's the magic of AI and Lalalai. Once you're happy with the results, you can go ahead and process the entire track. Click on the Process the Entire Track option here and it asks you for your email ID so it can send you the temporary login info. So enter your email ID here and hit enter. Don't worry, this is free for the first 3 tracks. And that's it. Check your mail now and you will get a link to sign in. Once you click on the link, you can see that it's logged in with your email ID. And now just click on the Process the Track option again. The process begins and you can see it says here that after the splitting is finished, the download links to both the stems will be sent to your email. Alternatively, you can wait here and download the full files by clicking on the download option here. And that's it. Your final files will be downloaded. Now you can go to the downloads folder and listen to the final outcome.
Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh.
There are many such websites and tools that let you do this, but they're either too choppy, laggy, or expensive. And after using a lot of them, I can safely say that the quality and outcome of Lalalai is far more superior. But don't take my word for it. There have been several tests that have been done and it's proven that Lalalai has a better track separation technology when compared to sites like Phonic Mind and Splitter by Deezer. I've added a few links of their blogs down in the description. You guys can go ahead and click on those links and check out the comparison for yourself. Now let me tell you that you can try this service for free, but there is also a paid plan that lets you upload and extract multiple tracks. If you're a casual user, you should be fine with the free plan, and that lets you upload 3 tracks of up to 10 minutes. But if you're a producer or a singer who would like to use their service for several tracks, you might want to use their Lite or the professional plan. The Lite plan for $10, which is about 700 rupees, lets you upload up to 10 tracks or 90 minutes in total. And the Pro plan, which is about $30 or 2000 rupees, that lets you upload up to 30 tracks or 500 minutes. And that is a great deal. You can basically choose a plan according to your specific needs. So there you have it. That's Lalalai for you, a simple and powerful AI-based service that lets you extract vocals and instrumentals out of a track. Please go ahead and try out this service for free today. Now that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today and that you guys got to learn something new. If you guys did, please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And while you're at it, it'll be nice if you can click on that subscribe button and also hit on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. That's been it. My name is Deep and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy